BC17. See you soon. Did you get a donut too?
I'll react to my react.
Say hi to your future self.
Yeah, hi.
Hi to my reaction. Hi to Andrew's reaction.
Shout out Andrew. This is really a fan meet.
Fan meetup. Oh, is this the hojicha?
Yeah, the brown shell.
I want more than.
Oh, did you get Kobe too?
Yeah.
What did you guys get? Or, oh wait, you have that.
I got matcha cocoa. So you chocolate milk.
Oh. Chocolate milk. Oh.
It's a combination.
I heard there's like a shortage of matcha in Kyoto.
I was
right
gonna say chocolate milk. I know, that would be creepy. Where is it?
Kyoto, yeah, Japan.
Oh.
Like people are like just buying like a lot of it. That's why.
Is it like there's like only one harvest or something too? The season.
For matcha, for matcha.
Yeah. By like one.
Oh, you did?
Oh really?
Alright. That's cool. Did you like grind your own matcha?
You didn't grind it all, but we picked the first piece.
Oh, nice.
It's not working. Oh, I'm not good at this. You can't be a vlogger, sorry. Isn't it focusing? It's gonna fall.
We're at MEMORYLOOK. Not memory foam, MEMORYLOOK.
Our buds are memory. So much enthusiasm.
Ooh.
Good.
Oh, thank you.
You want to try the strawberry lemon? Sure. Want some matcha?
Do you guys want tiramisu?
It's okay. Matcha.
This is the strawberry one. I thought like the cream was just regular cream, but it's strawberry. Strawberry.
Wow.
It is strawberry.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy. This is a nice spot for members to come to. How many people?
Green
How many
tea.
zeros?
It was filled with only 17.
I could like totally see you posing on these couches.
Working the coffee shop.
I like the brulee top.
Yeah.
Good job.
There's still some.
Just thumbs. Okay, go for it. Oh! Joshua. We just went to Choice. And now we're gonna do an unboxing. Woo! Okay.
The wheel has chosen Elise for
Action. Action.
Elise is going first.
Yeah. Here's the freebies I got.
17.
That's not.
Spill the feels.
Which version?
Feel new version. Okay. Oh my god. Mingy!
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
Yay!
Ooh, surreal.
Oh.
Okay, which one should I do first?
Thank you.
Do carrot first. No
This
pressure.
one's the risky one.
Yeah. This is very risky. 15 though. It's a little cheaper than the regular. Oh.
Hoshi.
Hoshi!
Oh.
Okay! Oh wait, and then I have random. Hoshi.
Hoshi.
Is it all?
Cute.
Yeah.
Cute.
I think it's, is it 3? Oh, one more. Oh
Oh.
gosh. Oh gosh. You did say it. Nice. That's cute. This is such a good one. That's a cute one. Okay, and then should I open my next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna open the PCs. Your reaction was
Burn it.
There's two. Uzi! This is cute.
I feel like
Those are good ones.
Yeah.
I like the lollipop. Yeah.
yeah, the lollipop.
Cute. It's very cute.
Aww.
Okay.
You get, oh no, you get Dino a lot, right?
I get Dino and Joshua.
Oh,
Yeah.
Corey.
Oh. Let's see if I can zoom in. Nice. What did it feel?
Blue. Feel blue. The water one?
Water.
Wet DK.
Water.
What's the one?
What DK?
Upside down.
Oh, wait.
I can't tell. Oh!
It's June.
And then I just revealed this one too.
That's good.
Oh.
It's good.
Yay!
Yay.
Mandy.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Blue version.
Blue version.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please. I didn't get it. Please. Thank you. Here we go. Oh no! Please. That's a cute one. That's the iconic one. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh no no. Oh my god.
Huh? Oh, we got the same. Oh, it's the same one. Stop. That's a cute one. Cute.
Oh my god.
I've seen some. We haven't gotten a DK, right?
Yeah, no DK.
yet, so no pressure.
Well, my other one was the
Oh, do you want
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah.
Hoping for something somebody likes.
someone else? Ready? Okay. Cute. Cute. Oh no, no DK.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god!
What? Wait, you should wear that tonight, and then when the camera comes on you to do encore, yeah, throw that on.
Oh my god.
I did not expect this.
I know.
Oh, you finally got your DK.
No mirror this time.
Nice. Hello. My fit is from Zara.
Yeah.
This is from Korea.
Woo! Same.
Say do your dance. La la lee.
That's the best I got.
La la lee. La la lee.
Come here. I'm blaming you on camera too. I'm blaming you. Fit check.
Fit check.
More like non-fit check.
What do you mean I'm goofy?
Imagine this, but with a jacket, so he would match me.
But now I can be like me, you know, showing off my arms.
Fit check. My cardigan's from 8 Seconds. My shirt's from TikTok from PacSun. My jeans are Abercrombie. And
Nice.
I have a hip hop unit theme for my clear bag because Vernon's right here.
Oh yeah.
And then
Cute. EMO Stadium. Oh.
Ole, ole. seconds perfectly.
다 같이 한번 뛰고 끝낼까?
Should we just jump all together and just finish
오케이.
it?
다 같이 부르자 그러면.
Alright, let's all sing together.
진지한데 뜨거워지만 Say what? What? 아주 nice. 아주 nice. Give on, give on, give on. Nice. 아주 nice. Everybody join. 아주 nice. 아주 nice. Give on, give on, give on. Nice. 아주 nice. Thank you guys.